Hello creative designers and welcome on to this tutorial. My name is Peter, and on today's tutorial I'm just going to show you how to attach a YouTube video in your WordPress post in Gutenberg. This is the exact post that I'm going to show you in this tutorial. We're just going to have this post, this paragraph here, and we're also going to have this article here, and I'm just going to show you how you can even add search button. I'm just going to show you how we are going to do it. I'm using Ocean WP theme. So without further ado, we need to get to my localhost. We just get to my localhost website, and we're just going to create a new post. Let's create one here. So the first thing, I need to give it a heading. I'm just going to copy paste this. It's from my website. So I copy and I give it a heading like that. From there, I need to insert some block. I need to search for column. Here, I select column and I select something like 3070. I have now two columns. Here, you can see how they are. So I copy this. I come and add it as a paragraph like that. So in the next here, now we need to have a YouTube link. So I can do something like, let me just go to my YouTube, just show you how you can get this link. Here we have it. This is the YouTube. Here you have it. You need to open the video. You need to open the video that you just want to attach. After that, you have two options. Two ways you can do it. First way you can do it is by embed. You just need to click on this share button, and when this window pop up, you have this now button for embed. Click on it, and you have to copy this code that has just been suggested to you. I copy it and I come back to my post. I search for HTML. Here we have the custom HTML, and I can attach by pasting it like that. From there, now we scroll back here. So it seemed like this space was almost the same, so I need to come back here and I click on width on this section here, and I want to put something like 60. I copied something like 60 like that, and I come back on this one here, and let me try to, so it has been highlighted, and I add this to something like 40. You can try to play with this setting here and see how it will look like that. So from there, now we need to add this one here. So the next thing you need to do, you need to add the column here. So on hover, when you are just scrolling on this post here, you have this plus button. Click on it, like here you have it. Click here and add a column. So sorry for that. You need to come here on this add block, and you search for column here. Add two columns, maybe something to 70-30, and I need to just copy this, and I come and paste it here. I paste it as a paragraph like that, and then here I need to search for button like that, and I say request a quote, request a tutorial, not a quote, like that. Now you need to add a link to this button, so click on it like that. Once it has on be highlighted, click on this and add your link. I have a link already, so let me copy here and I paste it here, and I want it to be opened in a new tab like that. From there, now you can come here and add maybe a featured image. Let me look if I have one. Yeah, let me use this one, and I publish. You need to even set the category and all that. but for now let's just view the post. Here you can see we have the post. Yeah, that's how the post look like. Yeah, that's how you can embed a YouTube video to your WordPress. The other way you can do it is when you just come here and search for YouTube like that. You search for YouTube and you have to come here, and let me close here. You have to come here and share and copy the link here. Come to the post and paste your link, and we embed like that. That's how you can also add using the link. So those are the two ways that you can embed your YouTube or any YouTube video to your WordPress website. Thank you for visiting my channel. Remember to hit the subscribe button. I do create tutorials related to WordPress, and when you just hit the subscribe, remember to hit the like button for this tutorial. It will help this video. Thank you.